Kakoro wabayo wang'wa e kaunti nendo ma Migori en koro sani endi oganda makoro ne oyudo dhog gredi mago eko mag hEIFER marirom 189. Kakoro oa kuom sirikal nendo mar Migori kano telnegi koda ka gavana makoro endo Migosi Okoth Obado. Maendi sani koro en okang' mar 6 ma sani koro oselosi mano chenro machal kamano endo kama bende koro jogo eko mantiere sub counties go eko 8 ma bende nitiere kod wards 40 mago ma Migori sani koro oseyudo mago eko bende gin jamni go eko mag gredi manyalo konyogi e wechego eko mag yudo chak kendo bende golo chan kuomgi e yor nendo mar miyogi pesa e kinde ma bende sani koro gidhi nyime koda ka tegre e wechego eko mag uchumi. Obado kane loso ne owacho ni koro maendi en gima ber kata ka koro owuok e ofis to bo miyo ni koro jogi bodhi nyime bedo kod yuto.
That is under the Department of Agriculture. This is the 6th time as a county that we are launching the one dairy cow per sugarcane stock tobacco farmer county project in the 7 sub-counties, and the 5th to launch the Saiwal breeding bulls project in Nyatike sub-county. To this day, a total of 539 in-calf dairy cows and 124 Saiwal breeding bulls have been given out to identified beneficiaries in the 8 sub-counties of the county, with the key objective of improving both the quantity and quality of the dairy herd in the county. This whole objective is to achieve the overall goal of increasing milk production for improved food security and nutrition of households in Migori County. It is estimated that the program has contributed in reducing county milk deficits by close to 10% per annum. Additionally, the income of each of the 5,720 households involved in this project has increased by an average of 12,000 Kenya shillings per month. Ladies and gentlemen, since the inception of this program in the financial year 2014-2015, the one dairy cow per sugarcane stock tobacco farmer project has achieved about 242 passes on calves to other farmers within the clusters in Kuria East, Kuria West, Suna East, Uriri, Awendo, and Rongo sub-counties. In this financial year 2021-2022, we are giving out a total of 139 in-calf dairy heifers, and the breakdown under that is that our honorable members of the county assembly, including Mheshimiwa Ngabia here, Mheshimiwa Mohabe here, and the honorable members that are here, they have a very, very wonderful scheme. So wanachangia, na sisi pia kama county, sisi pia tunawapatia support kidogo. So kulingana na hiyo support, hawa waheshimiwa wamechangia pakubwa sana, kwa sababu kuna kiasi kidogo ambao ninawapatia. So nikiona kama wamesonga, wamefanya kazi kizuri, naongeza kidogo. So on this particular one, the county has funded 50 and 89 dairy cows have been funded through the Ward Development Initiative. Zinatoka kwa kikapu kimoja, hiyo kikapu ya county government. Hiyo ni kazi kizuri. Yes, tunasaidiana namna hiyo. So the breakdown is here, and I want to tell you that all the cows that you are seeing there, we have bought them at a total of 24,435,000. The Saiwal bulls are yet to be brought here. Supplier ajaleta hizo bulls, lakini analeta hivi karibuni. And this time round, Mheshimiwa Ngabia, najua mwaka uliopita ulileta hEIFERs mingi zaidi. So this time umesema lazima upewe lazima upatie watu wako bulls, so hizo bulls zinakuja. Department of Agriculture is also supporting the producers with fodder seeds, feeds, formulation materials, and mixtures and millers that will work towards reducing the high cost of feeds in the sector, which is currently skyrocketing due to the current economic situation in the world. I want to thank all our technical staff from the Department of Agriculture who, against all odds, have continued to offer extension services to our esteemed farmers. I want to consistently encourage our farmers to ensure that the animals given to them are taken good care of for improved cattle productivity and milk production. In addition, let me take this opportunity specifically to thank the members of the County Assembly who have taken the initiative to provide our farmers with in-calf heifers through community programs. I also want to appreciate many of our collaborators like Food and Agriculture Organization, or the Sender Cow, the KCDMS, Calro, ILRI, Heifer International, Blue Cross Nyatike, Nuru International, just to mention but a few. And I want to say that working together with the various groups that I've mentioned has been our very, very great pleasure. I want to urge all the stakeholders to embrace the initiatives the county government has put in place to develop the sector for improved livelihoods, and as we endeavor to fulfill all the other goals that are there, please let us maintain peace, let us embrace one another, na tutafaulu. Ile changamoto ya kwanza ambayo tuko naye ama wananchi wote katika kila pembe za dunia ako naye ni kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumefukuza ufakara. Na sisi tunajua ya kwamba tukifukuza hiyo ufakara hatutakuwa na njaa. So the county government has done a lot of things hapa. The things that we can do, they are not very, very difficult. Kama ni kulima,
kuhakikisha kwamba tumeimarisha mambo ya chakula katika kaunti yetu. Tunaposema mambo ya chakula ni mambo ya crops, mimea, mambo ya samaki na mambo ya maziwa. Tangu gavana wetu aingie katika kaunti ya Migori, amehakikisha kwamba wakulima wetu wana chakula ya kutosha. Ukienda katika miji mingi kwa leo hii kuna chakula, kuna mahindi na pia kuna maembe ambayo amepeana, kuna zile fruits, horticultural crops ambazo amepeana hivi karibuni. Kwa hivyo hiyo ni promote food security katika kaunti yetu ya Migori. Na leo hii tunashuhudia ng'ombe wengi ambao wamenunuliwa na kaunti kupitia